Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Web-based smart shopping cart using ESP32 camera and ESP32 module with QR code reader. So here we are using an 5 volts power supply. So ESP32 QR code reader with red LED and one green LED connected. So whenever it scans the data should be sent to other ESP32 module. So here we wrote the HTML web page. So it should be sent to one IP address 192.168.43.100 by capital SHOP shop. So here we are using one 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5 GPIO pin. There are 4 push buttons, so we can increment and decrement the items. So increment, decrement, OK button. So here we are using one 230 input step down transformer and 9 volts output AC. So bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply board, and that 5 volts is given to the ESP32 camera module. So one red LED and one green LED, and here we are using one ESP32 module. So we wrote the code onto HTML web page. So OK, increment, decrement button, and a 16x2 LCD display. So this kit must and should it requires the internet, mobile hotspot internet required. So here you have to on the mobile data and Wi-Fi on Wi-Fi hotspot required. The hotspot username is project and password is project 1234. So now I'm going to give the power supply. Okay, done. Okay, maximum number of devices should be allocated 100 Mbps. So it will show you the ESP32 Adreno. Whenever you click, the IP address will be shows 192.168.43.100. It may changes in your mobile also with the different mobile numbers with the different IP address coming from the your SIM card internet. So it is provided 192.160.43.100. So come to here web page. So here come to web page. Write down 192.168.43.100 by slash shop. So here the items are shown. Okay, biscuits, Lux soap, item, and pay now option. Okay, 000, all items are 000. Okay, so here ESP32 module and 16x2 LCD display, and go to reset button. So here is the reset button is there. So items is 0, bill is 0. Okay, so now I'm going to show the item. So Lux soap. So whenever it reads, it will show you on the LCD display item is readed. So Lux 30, red LED, green LED on. So number of items you can increment 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can decrement. Okay, then okay. So come to the web page. So Lux soap 2 items 60 rupees, bill is 60. Okay, so I am taking the biscuit. Okay, so I need to show the in front of the camera. So whenever it reads the data, it will show you on the LCD display. Yeah, it reads milk bread, increment 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, seven items, and it's not updated. Mango, $135. Okay, so here the biscuit is 0, total 4 times. Okay, so here biscuit 4, 100 rupees, Luxo soap 4, 120, mango 4. Okay, so total 400, here also 400. Okay, total items is 12 and 400. Milk bread, okay, milk bread. Okay, milk bread is 0, item is 0. Six items. Okay, 490, 18 items, 490. So here is also cost is 490, and here is the cost also 490, and pay now is option button is also there. So you can add or subtract Lux, so you can go for Lux. Okay, Lux 30, already four items are there, so here is also 4 items are there. You can increment it 7, so I can go for 6 items, then okay. So here is also updated 6 items, so cost is 180, each one is 30 rupees. Okay, so this is our web page. Power supply board, transformer, power supply board, LEDs, ESP32 camera, OK button, increment button, decrement button, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, ESP32 module. So we required Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, go to mobile hotspot. So here is the mobile hotspot, internet is there, it will show you the IP address. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.